Hello students, I am Rahul Pandey and today I will continue your next paragraph lesson number 3rd, the little girl. Today I will continue the paragraph in part of video number 2nd. She sat on a stool, gravely watched him until he woke and stretched and asked the time, then looked at her. When the Kezia's grandmother told her that go, today is Sunday and you can talk to your mother, to your father very easily. When she went there, what she saw, her mother was reading the newspaper and father was lying on the sofa and he has covered his face with the handkerchief. After that, what happened? She sat on a stool and she began to wait her turn, that when my father get up I will talk to him. But what happened when he got up? okay he stretched his arm, and whenever he saw that Kezia is sitting on a stool and he is waiting for him, so what he said that, hello Kezia, do not stare me like this. Whenever you see me like this, you seem just like a brown owl. So, hearing this word by his father's side, Kezia became so sad. One day, when she was kept indoors with a cold, her grandmother told her that father's birthday was next week. One day, Kezia's grandmother advised her that your father's birthday is about to come next week, and on that day Kezia was suffering from coryza. That is why she was at house in that time. Okay beta. So whenever her grandmother advised her that you should give a gift to your father, and she suggested her that you should make a pincushion as a gift and you can give it to your father, and it will be a very fantastic gift for your father. Okay, she agreed laboriously with the double cotton. The little girl stitched three sides. After that, Kezia managed the cotton cloth, okay, and she stressed three sides, three sides of the cotton cloth, okay. But what to fill it with? She was very nervous that what shall I fill inside the cotton cloth? Okay, it was the question for Kezia, and she wanted to ask to her grandmother that please give me a suggestion, grandmother, that what should I fill inside the pin cushion. But unfortunately her grandmother went outside in the garden and she was not there at that time. So what she did, she went inside the mother's bedroom, okay, and she was searching for some scraps, but she did not find it. Okay, so in the meantime Kezia noticed that there was many paper sheets on the table, on the father's table. She went there, okay, and she gathered all the pages, and she thought that it will be unuseful, so I should use it. So what she did, she tore all the pages into teeny pieces, okay, and after that she stuffed, okay, all the teeny pieces of the pages in her pin cushion. After that, she became very glad and she sewed the fourth side of the pin cushion. Now she was so glad that I have prepared a lovely gift as a birthday gift for my father, and on next week, on the day of my father birthday, I will give it to my father. But what happened? Catherine Mansfield said that what happened at night time there was a hue and cry started in the house. Kijia's father was crying. Okay, he was speaking shoutly that where is the pages of my speech for the port authority. Okay, and I had written a speech. I prepared a speech and all the pages had lost. Rooms were searched, servants questioned. He began to search all the rooms. He called all the servants and he began to ask question with all the servants that did anyone find the pages, okay, written by my side. But all the servant denied. They said, no sir, we do not find any pages. The maid also denied. Finally mothers came into Kejia's room. अंत में the mother of Kejia went, okay, inside Kejia's room and she began to ask her. She asked her that, hello Kezia beta, do you know father's great speech paper which he had prepared for court authority, and that pages had been lost. So do you know it? Whenever she asked at that time, okay, Kezia can be lied very easily because no one knew at that time that Kezia had used that pages inside her cushion. Okay, the mother asked, I suppose you did not see some papers on a table in our room. But Kezia said that, no, ma'am, my mummy, I knew that pages. Oh, you know, tell me where is all the pages? She said, I tore them up for my surprise. Oh, whenever she said that, oh, I tore all the pages to prepare a pincushion as a birthday gift for my father. She narrated everything. Okay, truly. So, what happened? What? Screamed mother. Come straight down to the dining room this instant. Kejia's mother became shocked and she said, come immediately. Okay, down to the dining room. And she was dragged down to where father was pacing to and fro, hands behind his back. And Kezia was brought downstairs by her mother, where her father was wandering here and there with great anxiety and worry and angriness. Well, he said sharply. Mother explained. He stopped and started at the child. Kejia's mother explained the reality that your pages have been torn by Kezia. Okay, he began to stare to Kezia and he asked, did you do that? No, 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 she whispered. She began to stammer in front of her father again. She said, no, 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 no. Mother, go up her room and fetch down the damned things. She that the child's put to bed this instant. After that, Kejia's father said, to her mother that go and searched Kejia's room, and if you find any torn pages inside her house, please bring all the materials in front of me as soon as possible. So, hearing the order by his son's side, her mother went to search that pages. Okay, so dear students, it is the end of part 2 and paragraph 6 have completed. I hope that you will definitely understood all the passages explained by myself. But in that case, if you have any doubt, if you have any problem, okay, dear students, you are most welcome. You can ask me in your respective English group. Okay, until when, keep learning and keep practicing. Thank you.